The Candle and the Moth. One evening, a moth was circling around a bright candle flame. The candle glowed warmly, and the moth felt an irresistible pull toward it. The other moths warned, "Don't go too close, that fire will burn you." But the moth replied, "I don't care if it burns me. I want to know what that light truly is." Ignoring their warnings, the moth flew closer and closer, until it finally plunged into the flame and disappeared. Rumi says, "That moth understood the secret of love. True lovers don't fear getting burned. They want to lose themselves completely in the light of truth." Meaning of the story. This story reflects Rumi's core teaching. Divine love is not about safety or comfort, it's about surrender. Just like the moth, who gave itself to the flame, a true seeker dissolves the ego in the fire of divine love to unite with the beloved, Allah.